Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how we can clone any web game using one amazing tool. So let me show you a step by step how you can do that. So let me just show you one thing is like how we can find the game. So suppose that's a website, the codingbuzz.info, and they have a lot of games like this. So let me just try play a snake game. Okay, so it's a game, so you can play a game like this. Okay, so if you want to copy this game, so we can copy this game because it's a web game. Okay, so how you can do that? So it's really very simple. So let me just make it game over. Okay, done. Now you need to go to the website here, the codingbuzz.info, and you'll find your clone website. Just click on this and you will see that tool. Okay, now we need to go to that game, just copy that URL, go to the web cloning, this URL here, just paste URL here, and then click on the clone website and wait some seconds and it's done. Now we need to click on download cloned website, right? This one, just click on this and it's cloned website 2 and just save in the download folder. Now let's go to the download folder and you'll find that clone HTML2, this one. So just open this and as you can see here, that's the URL, okay, .html file, and it's a snake game. So you can play like this, still like this. So this website cloned the whole menu also, so you can remove that menus and you can just play and you can use this game only. Okay, so that's the amazing way to download any web game using this tool. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.